So hello everyone. In the previous lecture we have answered the question that मेरा जो क्वांटम सिस्टम है वो कभी भी क्या होगा, रेस्ट पर नहीं होगा. इट विल ऑलवेज possess some energy, some zero point energy. But why it will possess some energy? Is there any condition कि जब मेरा क्वांटम सिस्टम के पास भी जीरो एनर्जी हो? So let's suppose that मेरा जो ऑसिलेटर है, जो मेरा क्वांटम सिस्टम है, it has a zero energy. Suppose जो मेरा सिस्टम है it has zero energy and we know that energy is equals to p square by 2m and it is equals to zero. So from that we can conclude that my momentum is also equals to zero. अब जब मेरा सिस्टम जीरो है तो मतलब कि क्या है, मेरा पार्टिकल रेस्ट पर है. एंड पार्टिकल रेस्ट पर कब होता है? व्हेन इट इज एट इक्विलिब्रियम पोजीशन. सो वी कैन से दैट माय x इज आल्सो इक्वल्स टू जीरो. So from that we can say that my spread in my position and my momentum is also equals to zero. So that spread means that delta x is equals to delta p and these are both equals to zero. And from the uncertainty principle we know that delta x into delta p, when we multiply both the things and both factors, both the numbers are zero, so multiplication of both of them is also equals to zero. But this is not equals to h cut by 2m because 2 pi h cut by 2, because we know that from the uncertainty principle that your delta x into delta p is greater than equals to h cut by 2. So here this condition is violating your uncertainty principle, and that's why my quantum system can never be at rest due to this, because here we got the contradiction. And we can say that that's why मेरा क्वांटम सिस्टम कभी भी क्या नहीं होगा, कभी भी रेस्ट पर नहीं होगा. इट विल ऑलवेज possess some energy. And we can say, because we know the real life example of this thing, that my system will possess energy, and real life example is your vibration in molecules. Because we all know that even at absolute zero temperature मेरे जो मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं वो क्या कर रहे हैं, वाइब्रेट कर रहे हैं. दे हैव द वाइब्रेशनल एनर्जी. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन से दैट इवन एट एब्सोल्यूट जीरो they have the vibrational energy, they possess some energy. So that's why my quantum system can never be at completely at rest. Okay, thank you so much.